Maddie, why did you choose the Barry University School of Podiatric Medicine?
I think a big thing to me, just like Malachi, is I am from Florida, undergrad in Florida. And so being the only podiatry school in Florida was huge to me. I had never really visited Miami though. So it seemed like a new place without being too far from home. And after looking into their program, I know sports medicine, Dr. Lucido, he offers a fellowship. So I knew we would have some great sports med opportunities. And we really have this far. Like I've been able to enjoy through our sports med club doing many different things. Also, as Malachi mentioned, our clinics, we have many different clinics throughout Miami, and we are seeing a wide variety of cases. So I knew I would get great clinical training that I felt would prepare me to be able to get a great residency.